parent logins, you're going to select Manage Parents area, Manage Parents who can log in. This is going to give you a list of all the parents that you have listed within SchoolSpider. Once you're here, you're going to select the orange email icon, and then it's going to ask you who you want to send the usernames and passwords to. You can use this drop down to select a relevant year group, or you can do it for the whole school. And what that's going to do is send an email to all the individual parents with their own username and their own password. The username and password will be automatically generated. They can then change that themselves once they've logged into the app or on the computer. You need these email icons next to parents in order to send the usernames and passwords out for security reasons. If you haven't got these email icons next to your parents' names, then it means that you haven't got that data within your school MIS. If you update your MIS information, it should update overnight, and this will then pull through onto SchoolSpider. You can also send out individual parent usernames and passwords by just selecting the red email icon next to the individual parent's name. So if you just click onto that email icon, that's going to send an email to only that parent with their username and their password. You should have already integrated your school MIS with SchoolSpider, which means that all your information that's pulled onto here will be the same information that you have in your school MIS, and it will update automatically overnight.